अब गाली दे रहे
पे वो आया
आप
है।
सरदार हो नॉर्मीज के।
ये हम गेम खेल रहे हैं, मेरा फीडबैक नहीं दिया जा रहा है अभी।
धर लिया।
So we wasted one question. So hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are not used to saying this, but here we are. So today we are playing a game where we have team coaches and team non-coaches. So they'll be giving us different terms that we have to guess, but only yes and no questions. How about normies? We're team normies.
Okay. Ready?
Yep,
First one.
let's go.
COPD.
COPD.
Sound is something else. But
Okay,
no,
wait,
COPD.
COPD, okay. Is it like an abbreviation or something?
Of course.
Yes or no questions then. Is it like a disease or like something of that kind?
Something of the kind is very broad, but yes.
Okay. रहने यार रुको. Is it something to do with any muscle group?
Yes.
Can you just repeat the term again if possible?
COPD.
COPD. Something to do with the heart?
Not. I'm going to no बोलना है, so no.
तो इतना टाइम क्यों लिया, मतलब नो तो बोल ही देते हैं. So 4 questions are not with the heart, but something related to the muscle, right?
You said muscle group,
Muscle group.
not muscle.
Okay, is it something, some muscle group from the upper body or the lower body? Oh, वो क्या काम है?
हाँ, yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Is it something related to the upper body,
Yes.
but not the heart?
No.
Something related to the
5 हो गए मैथ्स पर पहले इसके बाद बायोलॉजी पढ़ना.
okay, something I maybe
Okay,
मतलब मेरा guess है, I can't pinpoint it.
Yeah.
So there's a reason why we are normies. Would be it has something to do, like something related to the lungs.
COPD is chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases where a patient finds it hard to breathe. And I think for this effort, I'm going to give you a 3 out of 10, but I would have given minus to somebody else. I really like you a lot, so minus only 3 for this. Okay?
3 out of
10.
So my question is, what is TFL?
TFL.
TFL. I will say the abbreviation to tensor fascia lati.
Huh?
It is interesting.
एक बार और please.
Tensor fascia lati.
Tensor.
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 Yes, TENSOR.
SOR. Tensor.
It is not tension. Tensor.
So I have 5 questions, right?
Yes.
My first question: is it a disease or a body part?
You are asking me question.
Sorry. Is it a disease?
No.
So it's a body part.
So second question.
No. Tensor.
Fascia
Fascia.
lati. This is the last time I'm spelling it.
नहीं ये तो करना पड़ेगा ना, ये अब पता याद थोड़ी रहता है.
Okay.
पास कर सकते हैं क्या? गेस भी क्या करूँ? हाँ ठीक है.
बहुत easy
क्वेश्चन
है.
है. So it is not a disease. It is a body part. Is it from the upper body or the lower body?
You're asking me question.
Is it from the upper body?
No.
It's from the lower body. Is it related to knees? डर लिया.
धर लिया.
बोलो.
No.
It's not related to knees.
No. I'm smiling. It's not meaning you are correct. It is very easy.
Is it related to foot?
No.
और क्या है?
और लोअर बॉडी पार्ट में क्या है? नी कवर कर लिए, फुट कवर कर लिए और
Thighs. Hip वाला part.
यस इट इज हिप. कितना क्वेश्चन हो गया?
4. 4.
ओके 2 more I will give you. Tell me. हिप.
Hip. हाँ.
क्या है वो?
Hip. क्या है वो मतलब? Hip. अच्छा वो
TFL क्या है?
TFL क्या है? L for?
Lati. LATAE.
Is it a muscle?
Yes. Very nice. One more question.
हिप में मसल
हिप में मसल होते हैं सत्या.
पता है पर
Yeah, you're almost there.
इज इट द बैक मसल लाइक हैमस्ट्रिंग के ऊपर?
No,
नो
it's okay. You are good. So, it is a muscle in the hip, which is a very small muscle, and it helps in hip abduction, flexion, and internal rotation, and it connects the IT band and run towards the thigh to the knee.
सुन के अच्छा लगा मेरे को. हाँ, आसान भाषा में अगर कुछ हो सके
एक
तो.
छोटा सा मसल है जो हमें स्टैंडिंग, वॉकिंग या फिर रनिंग में हेल्प करता है. अगर वो
है
नहीं,
कहाँ पे?
हिप के साइड में है, जस्ट यहाँ पे इन फ्रंट.
ये वाला part,
Yes.
मैंने हैमस्ट्रिंग के ऊपर. फिर
अगर
भी
वो-
पास ही है. पॉइंट्स तो मिलने चाहिए इसके.
अगर वो नहीं होगा तो हम तो लिंपिंग होके चलेंगे.
ठीक है. टेक नोट्स गाइस. हाँ आप बोलो, स्कोर बोलो.
It is good, but 6.
8.
No,
8.
6 is fine for you. 6 is good. 6.
सकल का रेटिंग. ठीक है.
6.
चलो नेक्स्ट.
भाग गए क्या ओपोनेंट्स? कोचेस की टीम से कौन आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहे? सर कौन है? सर
ऑलराइट, तो कैसे हैं आप देवी और सजनों? चलो ओके, तो फर्स्ट दूंगा मैं आपको प्रोप्रियोसेप्टिव न्यूरोमस्कुलर फैसिलिटेशन.
प्रोप्रियोसेप्टिव न्यूरोमस्कुलर
फैसिलिटेशन.
facilitation.
रेडी?
So, I think it is a phenomenon that happens in the body. Yes?
नो. सो 4 क्वेश्चंस लेफ्ट.
4 questions left. Proprioception बोलती तो है डॉक्टर तुलसी बहुत कि ओके, न्यूरोमस्कुलर तो समझ आ गया.
ओके,
ठीक है, फैसिलिटेट करना है
क्या फैसिलिटेट करना है?
तो हम फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं क्या?
तो आप मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो क्या दूसरा?
नहीं, मतलब फैसिलिटेट, फैसिलिटेशन का तो वही मतलब होता है. सो इज इट अ ट्रीटमेंट?
नो.
It's not a treatment.
नो.
And it's not a phenomenon that happens in our body. Is it a disease?
नो. सो 2 क्वेश्चन लेफ्ट.
Okay. Not a disease. Not a phenomenon. Facilitation. It has TION in the end. It has to be an act, an activity, right? I'm good in English. If that helps. I swear. मुझे लग भी पहली बार ही लग रहा है. I have 1 question left.
2.
Two. Okay. So, is this something that needs experts around you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, is it a form of release?
You can say that.
Okay. I think that's the closest I'll ever get.
Okay. Any guesses?
I'm guessing when you have pain somewhere, which is like a neuromuscular thing, this is something that is administrated on you in some way.
You are not completely wrong.
Okay.
But yeah. So it's a type of stretching that you usually perform with the help of someone.
Okay.
So it helps in your strengthening, it helps in your mobility, and it also helps in your flexibility.
All right, not bad. How much would you score that?
I would say 4 out of 10.
I think, come on, yeah, 6.
She was better than you.
6 तो हो सकता है. नहीं?
नहीं.
5.
4.5.
ना आपका ना मेरा 5.
Okay, let's go for 3. 3.
3? ठीक है, 4 is fine.
Okay, 4.
Next.
ये दमशराज चल रहा है मतलब दूसरा टीम आगे वर्ड क्या दे रहा है?
ओह अच्छा ओके ठीक है ओके राइट. बहुत इजी बोलोगे मैं. ठीक है, यू हैव हर्ड दिस लाइक 1000 times in a call, consultation call, right? Okay, very easy. Come on. Okay, 1000 times. HbA1c.
Okay.
HbA1c is one of the easiest thing, and he has worked in the last 4 months. If he has not heard this, he'll pick his bag and go home from here directly.
See, I know this. ये बस pressure के वजह से नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब, it's here.
You may close your eyes. HbA1c. I've heard this 10,000 times. What was the HbA1c in the last blood report?
Is it something to do with the hemoglobin count?
I don't think any more questions are required.
Wait, I have 3 more
No.
questions. Okay, I have 3 more questions.
No.
I have 3 more questions.
सुनता नहीं, you're right.
ये हम गेम खेल रहे हैं, मेरा फीडबैक नहीं दिया जा रहा है अभी. हाँ, HbA1c. Something. Oh wait, is it as a factor that you use? Wait, 1 second, guys, please. Is it something like a factor that you use?
घुमा मत, तू बहुत घुमा रहा है.
Is it important for someone? wait. Is it important for someone to know if they have something like diabetes or something?
Yes.
Is it a factor that decides your diabetes level?
Yes.
So basically, it is something that helps you decide if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic, something like that.
Yes.
So I got it right.
Yes.
10.
No.
Yeah.
But HbA1c is a blood test of the last 3 months average, which helps us in determining your blood sugar level. It's the most accurate test to understand whether you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or highly diabetic.
क्या पूछूं? क्या बोल पाओगे बोलो. एक बॉडी पार्ट चूज करो. नहीं बॉडी पार्ट चूज मत करो.
खेल रही है ये.
We use it daily. Okay, it is very crucial. So it is gastrocnemius.
We use it daily.
Yes.
Gastro.
Nomius.
पेट से रिलेटेड है कुछ.
No.
गैस्ट्रो तो वही होता है ना.
गैस्ट्रो तो वही होता है. आपने तो ठीक बोला. पर क्या ये मसल?
Is it a muscle, तुलसी?
Yes. Okay, 4 more question is there.
ठीक.
चलो आप कर लो.
Upper body.
No, 3 more questions.
It's in lower body. The first word is gastro.
Gastrocnemius is one muscle. Only one muscle, not a 2 muscle.
Is it below my knees?
Yes. Very nice sir. देख लो कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ तो.
Is it above the foot?
Yes.
एक आगे का होता है, एक पीछे का होता
He is doing good.
है. एक आगे का होता है, एक पीछे का है.
क्या?
पीछे वाला काफ है. Is it the calf muscle?
Yes. Yes. Please give a clap.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.
So it's a very important muscle, calf muscle. Calf muscle is constituted of gastrocnemius and soleus. So gastrocnemius is a bigger muscle, 2-headed muscle, and it helps in plantar flexion, in walking, in running, in jumping, everything. So yes.
Score 10.
9.5. There is a hope you can guess. And
पर 0.5 का क्या है?
2
0.5.
questions. So it is 5 questions.
ठीक है. 9.5.
I think I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, so next one is Swas.
Sorry?
Swas.
Suas.
Yes.
अब गाली दे रही. Suas. Suas is a body part.
Yes.
I was saying that is not my question. Okay. Can it be externally seen or felt?
It's a question, right?
Yeah.
No.
No. So purely internal. Is it found in a particular location in the upper body?
What do you mean by like upper body?
Upper body, anything above the waist, I guess.
No.
But since you asked what do I mean by upper body,
Okay.
I'm assuming somewhere around the torso region.
Okay, you are smart.
Okay. doing marketing for this company is paying off. So it's a body part in the torso region. Is it a bone?
You are asking a question, right?
Is it a bone or related to a bone?
No, it's not a bone.
Not a bone. Okay. I have 3 questions left.
Yes, 3.
3 questions. It's not a bone. And that's a stupid question. Cool. Is it connecting two parts of something? Is it a connecting part?
Connecting in which way?
Connecting as in something, I don't know, like tendons connect things and ligaments connect things. So,
You can say that. Yes, you can say that.
yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Let's. Is it in the frontal region?
Yes. Okay. 1 question left.
1 question left. Frontal भी है, connecting भी है, और तो क्या ही बता देगा कॉमर्स का
Still, you
बच्चा?
are not nearby. So.
Not even close.
Nope.
Not even close. Somewhere around the abdominal region.
Somewhere around abdominal region.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So you are saying it's closer to torso and abdomen. They are both the same thing. So we wasted 1 question.
इसीलिए तो पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
Yes.
पढ़ाई करो.
Present more evidence plus.
तो 5 क्वेश्चन तो हो गए, मतलब
Yes,
अब आप
बताइए
और
क्या
जलील
है?
करोगे कि मैं आप आंसर बताओगे?
अब बताइए, गैस करिए ना, गैस.
गेस तो इतना ही, ये तो गेस किया मैंने कि
So
कुछ तो लिगामेंट स्टाइल कुछ
So it is a part of a hip flexion muscles. So basically, if you want to improve your posture, train your psoas.
है? So where is it?
It's basically crosses your hip.
Closer to hip.
Yes. So it helps in your hip flexion.
Okay. Okay.
Whenever you are doing cycling,
Right.
it works.
Okay.
So thank you guys for watching this video and watching us actually get bullied by coaches. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos and like, share, and subscribe.
कॉर्ड के पीछे क्या होता है? तो सिखाया मैंने ना. कॉर्ड कहाँ होता है?
मैं कोच ही बन जाता
नॉर्मीज.
थाई के पीछे ये पूरा पैर थाई में नहीं आता.
My next question is pyriformis syndrome.
आप थोड़ा आसान वाला पूछोगे तो अच्छा.
बहुत आसान है, बस
ये
सुनने में
कैसे?
डिफिकल्ट लगता है.
तो फिर मेरे को तो गेस करना है ना, कैसे करूंगा?
गेस करो.
क्या है वो?
Pyriformis syndrome.
Syndrome. So it's
Yes.
a disease. It's not a question, right? It's a disease.
I don't know. If it is
Syndrome?
not a question, I don't know.
You said syndrome, right?
Yes, I said syndrome.
So it's something related to disease.
Are you asking me the question?
No. It's in the lower body.
Yes, it is in the lower body.
Okay, we are very far. So it is
I think
related
lower
to food.
body is your favorite part because I have asked 3 questions in the lower body only.
Then that's your favorite part, not mine.
Okay.
So it's related to food.
No.
उतने अंदर थोड़ी जान पाऊंगा.
-2.
Yes.
इतना क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद हिप जॉइंट पे वो आया
आप
है.
सरदार हो नॉर्मीज के. आप -2 मत बोलो.
तो वो तो हो गया. बोन और लोअर बॉडी में है, तो पैर में ही है कहीं पे.
Lower
तो
body.
लोअर बॉडी में तो पैर ही सब
हाँ,
में होता
पैर
है.
ही
यस. बोन, इज इट अटैच्ड टू योर फीट?
Yes.
Attached to your feet. But not feet.